Hello, in our video today we will show you how to disassemble the internal components of the CBM automatic hook and then reassemble new components using the specific CBM OptiLock kit that is available at your local spare parts dealership. After carefully cleaning the hook in order to eliminate earth, dirt and dust, you need to unhook the spring from the lower spring pin by using a screwdriver. After this, you can remove the remaining spring pins by using a pin punch. Starting from the lower spring pin and then the upper two spring pins. Following this, you remove the two pins situated below the shutter . And finally, the pin in the center of the hook. Align the connection between the lever and the internal plate to the largest hole present towards the top of the hook and remove the small connecting pin with a suitably sized pin punch. This allows you to separate the lever from the shutter and to extract the remaining components from inside the hook. Now we will begin to reassemble the components of the hook using the new OptiLock kit. First of all, you need to fit the spring to the smallest hole on the plate. Fit the shutter to the plate using the oval-shaped hole in the plate. Insert a pin punch in the hole shown in the video. Introduce then the shutter group inside the hook from the shutter side opening. Align the upper hole of the plate with the upper hole of the hook. Insert the lever from the upper opening and use the small pin to connect the lever to the shutter group. Align the hole in the plate with the hole previously blocked by the pin punch and then keep the parts in line with the hole by using the pin punch. Assemble with care the spring pin in order to ensure that it fits inside the internal plate. A useful tip is that you should apply lateral pressure to the lever in order to keep the plate in position when you remove the pin punch and start to insert the spring pin. Assemble then the two upper spring pins. The external spring pin of the shutter is fitted first with the groove facing downwards, away from the shutter, in order to avoid interference with the shutter during the functioning of the hook. Assemble finally the lower spring pin and connect the spring to it using a screwdriver. Check that the hook functions correctly before fitting the implement.